San Diego emergency rooms are so overwhelmed that some are diverting ambulances. Many of these newest coronavirus cases at local hospitals are from the Thanksgiving holiday. As News 8's Brandon Lewis reports tonight, several ICUs are at or near capacity tonight.
Barbara Lee and Marcella, Scripps Mercy is essentially out of ICU capacity. They had to pause surgeries at one point and were using the recovery room to handle some of the excess capacity. It's not just here, though. This is a situation happening at hospitals all across the South Bay as they continue to deal with the surge that stems from some Thanksgiving gatherings.
We've never faced anything like this in our lifetimes.
Staff at Scripps Health are trying to manage an ever-increasing number of coronavirus patients. Its ICUs are at or near capacity, some far exceed it. For the first time in the pandemic, more than half of all patients in the ICU have COVID-19.
Encinitas, we're at 150% capacity. We've actually surging outside of our standard ICU already. La Jolla is at 97% capacity.
The South Bay remains a particular concern. Every day, they transfer patients to hospital beds further north as cases from Thanksgiving rise exponentially.
We can't do surgery then because there's no place to put the recovering patients, so we'll reduce that to just emergency cases only.
It's also taking a toll on staff. 88 Scripps employees tested positive last week. Others are out to care for sick family members or kids doing remote learning.
If you look at just the adult population, we had 85 licensed beds, ICU beds available yesterday, but only 24 staffed beds available. So you look at a community our size, that's a crisis stage.
But while the numbers are grim, hospitals are still encouraging people to get care they need.
We may be busy, but we will in fact take care of you.
Even if that means more work for staff already stretched thin.
They're tired, they're exhausted, but they're good. But we're asked for your help. Help us stay well so that we don't have to take care of you. And that would be our greatest wish for the next year.
Scripps will begin vaccinating some staff tomorrow, but there are only so many doses, and it's not going to solve all of the problems. This is something that could be with us for some weeks to come, especially if people continue to gather for Christmas and New Year's.